baby turtle right here. He is super cute. He's so small. I'll put him back in the water. The water is really clear today too, so hopefully we can get a cool release on him. See you later, buddy. There he goes. Awesome. There's a lot of turtles in here. You don't usually see them, so it's kind of cool that I just saw one. We'll get to fishing. What is this? Dude, what happened? It's big. I don't know, you can just see him swim around sometimes. Oh yeah, here, I'm right in front of him.
This is literally like fishing in a corner.
I know. These are pretty ones right now. They fight too. They're so cold.
This water's either really clean or really dirty. It's probably dirty.
What is this? A little fall fish?
If we get a good one, then we have to take a picture.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my, I see it.
You saw the big one? You saw the big one?
Yeah.
He was big, right? He's like a foot. I'm just like waiting until I can get one of the bigger ones to bite. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's a bass in there. There's a bass. Really? You see him?
Type of bass.
The largemouth. Largemouth. He's right there. Oh, dude, he's near your jig. He's about to bite it.
I'm gonna bite it.
He just, dude, went past it. No, he passed it up. Look, he was on mine. You see him? He's like right behind your jig.
That's actually a bass.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, there's the big one. Oh gosh.
Oh my god, that actually is good. I see it. Oh, it looks like a leaf, so that's fun.
What is this? Oh, it's a bigger one. You got something.
I think it's bass.
Oh yeah, you got the bass. Dude, that's so sick.
Oh, that's...
He's so pretty.
You have a picture?
Yeah, they're all like down there. It's probably where I got that bigger one at.
Oh, I think that's yours.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think he's doing it.
I don't think he's doing well. Oh, you see the big one down there? It's like they're like carp kinda. There's probably some untouched fish like back in here. Never mind, I don't know why I walked over here, it's just dumb. I'm coming back. Dude, that's a carp. There's a carp in there. I'm gonna walk up here. You see the bass in there anywhere? Oh, here's a green sunfish. Oh, dude, that's so nasty. He got its slime on the reel. Oh. I can't even fish with this. Whatever, I'm just gonna use my pants and wipe it off.
Only when I'm in like the carp area.
Where's the carp area even at? I think I got one, dude. I do. Oh, it's a pretty good sunfish. Bluegill, whatever. Yeah, it's a bluegill. Hey, and I got my bait back too.
I used to own it.
You gotta find this carp. Dude, I don't even see them anymore, do you? Where'd they even go? Got him. What is it? Oh, it's a carp. It's a carp. Let's go. Dude. What the heck?
No way. That's actually sick.
That's so sick. That is so sick though.
It's bigger than the ones at the other pond.
Yeah. Dude, that's so cool.
Picture?
Yeah, let me get a picture of him real quick.
The orange will work.
They work.
Try to like hold it in your palm.
There we go, there we go.
Is that good?
Dude, that's so sick though. Was it a carp? Dude, I never would have guessed that those were in here.
Oh, they keep stealing my bait.